Good morning, friends. I am Mr. Anand, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, SM Arts, Commerce and Science College, Chandravali, Chitradurga. Today, I would like to discussion about methodology of research, Unit 2nd, tools and techniques of social research. In this, we may be observed some tools and techniques. First one concepts, second one theory, and third one hypothesis, and fourth one facts. Concepts. First one. According to Goode and P.K. Hatt, a concept is a word or a set of words that express a general idea concerning the nature of something or the relations between things. It is an idea that is expressed in words. It consists of both a word and a definition. Sometimes concepts seem obvious, concrete, and tangible, but sometimes they are not obvious. Features of concepts. First one, abstract and obvious nature. Second one, set of words or idea. And third one, hypothesis, consists of concept and direct and indirect communication. And next one, having high opinion or great respect, link with the social world. And next one, person's involvement with the social group. And last one, shared experience. Importance of concepts. First one, important in the theoretical framework, support to data classification. It is essential in describing the findings, generalization of abstracts. It is express a general idea about relations. Concepts are the basics of building up theory that are given precising meanings to research. And next one, for the use of real nominal operational explanations. And last one, the research consisted experience. Types of concepts. Concrete concepts. Example, book, table, building, etc. Abstract concepts. Example, weight, height, attitude, intelligence, and leadership. And the second concept, theory. A theory attempts to answer the why and how questions. It tries to predict the social phenomena. A theory is a statement held as an explanation of facts or phenomena. A theory is a logically interrelated and empirically verifiable set of propositions. Definitions. According to Bale, theory is a process which explains a social phenomena by relating it some other phenomena. Second one, land. A scientific theory is a set of concepts and propositions asserting relationships among the observed activities. And next, some features. According to Cohen, it has a set of interdependent propositions. And the second one, the propositions explained by theory. And the third one, the explanations has a certain level of generality. And next one, the proposition empirically testable. And next, the propositions are not vague and the propositions has one validity. Stages of theory. First one, giving a propositions. The second one, describing the pattern of relationship among the propositions. Explain the relationship of pattern. Empirical testing of relationship between propositions. Types of theory. First one, analytical theory. Real world sets of axiomatic statements. And second one, normative theory. Elaborate a set of ideal states to which one may aspire. Scientific theory. It is asserts a causal connection between two or types of events. Next one, metaphysical theory, which are not strictly testable, though they may be subject to rational appraisal. Next one, relationship between theory and research. The research has only collect data and examine it in the light of theory, and theory has to be integrated with the data collecting. The way of thinking referred to theories. The research move from facts to theories and focusing on criteria that determine whether the given propositions constitute theory, making theoretical constructions operations, and next testing theory from research. And next concept, hypothesis. The term hypothesis consisted of two terms, hypo and thesis. Literally, hypo means under or below, thesis which means a reason, theory or rational viewpoint. A hypothesis is an assumption about relationship between variables. It is the tentative explanations of research problem or a guess about the research outcome. Definitions. Theodorson. Hypothesis is a tentative statement asserting a relationship between certain facts. Block and Champion. Hypothesis is a tentative statement about something, the validity of which is usually unknown. Carlingler. Conjectural statement of the relationship between two or more variables is called hypothesis. Features. It should be empirically testable, whether it is right or wrong. It should be specific and precise. And next one, should not be contradictory. And next one, it should specify variables between which the relationship is to be established. And next one, it should describe one issue only. Types of hypothesis. Working hypothesis. The research hypothesis. Null hypothesis. Statistical hypothesis. Fifth one, alternative hypothesis. Sixth one, scientific hypothesis. First one, working hypothesis. It is used to distinguishing, designing the final research plan and for the right context and to reduce the research topic and acceptable size. Second one, research hypothesis. A researcher believes that it is true and wants that it should be disapproved. And next one, null hypothesis. It is the reserve of research hypothesis. It is a hypothesis of no relationship. It can be true or false, or it cannot be both. Statistical hypothesis. This is explaining the statement of observation about statistical population that one seek to support to refuse. And alternative hypothesis. It is set of two hypotheses, research and null, which state the opposite of the null hypothesis. Scientific hypothesis contains based on or derived from sufficient theoretical and empirical data. Importance to guide social research about structure and operation. And next one, to offer a temporary answer to research questions. And next one, to facilitate statistical analysis. And next one, support to how to conduct inquiry. Support to what types of data need to research. And next one, as a knowledge as they stand apart from man's values and opinions. And next one, to describe social phenomena. And to indicate a need to change in systems and structures. And next one, to help in formulating society or policy. And last one, to assist in refusing certain common sense notions. Example, men are more intelligent than women. Totally, research without thesis is like a sailor in the sea without compass. And next one, last one, facts. A scientific study and involves facts and theories. Fact is an abstraction. Fact is observation which is based upon experience. Fact is a correct observation. Definitions. According to Oxford Dictionary, a fact is the happening of an incident, a correct statement, a matter of experience, the reality of association, the conclusion of some observation, or actually present phenomena. Bogardes, a fact is a phase of behavior, example thinking, feeling, acting, which is subjective to the observer and which has coercive nature. And Durkheim, social facts are actually existent. Religion, mores, and beliefs are social facts. According to one view, facts are true and they are the real elements of incidents. Characteristics. First one, reality of association. Second one, heterogeneity of individual and collective states of mind. Example, willing, sacrifice, and patriotism. And next one, difference between individual attitudes and behavior. And next one, uniformities of social statistics. And next one, philosophical theory of emergency and particular manner or association. And forced or optional observations. And next one, preconception and prejudice, condition of human beings. And last one, elements of incidents. Importance of facts, support to direct contact with things. Second one, support to inquiry about hypothesis, preconceptions or prejudice. And third one, it has a definite problem to solve. And next one, facts clearly depends upon the stage of our inquiry. And next one, no sharp line dividing facts from the guesses. The status of propositions may change from that of hypothesis to that facts. Thank you very much.